to vary the video camera detector with the wireless antenna and power supplies and output board and I/O board. At first, for the radio camera detectors, each one-piece radio camera detector vary with the one-piece antennas. Please attention the list port and you need to fix it and check the well with the loose. Then, connect with the wireless antenna with the power supplies. Please attention the positive and the negative. Don't worry mistake. Then, for the master wireless antenna, please connect the list port to the output port. You can connect like this or this place. That's okay. Then, for the left side, this was the I/O port. Please insert to the output port like this. Then, for these two-piece lines, please connect with the 24 to 42 voltage. For the I/O port, connect with your controller systems. And list 1, 2, 3, 4 connect with the east direction, south direction, west direction, and north direction. Okay.